guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have an unboxing for you today. I actually have two. Again, I have the Roxbox and a Glossybox. I will show you what I got in that box, and I also will show you what I got in my March Glossybox. Okay, so first I have the Roxbox, which the Roxbox is a rental subscription box where you rent jewelry. You pay a $21 fee every month. And then they will send you 3 items of jewelry to wear for as long as you'd like, and then send back for another set when you are ready. If you were wanting to purchase something, you have 11 days from the time your set is sent to you to purchase, and if you purchase within that time, you do get the $21 taken off of your purchase. Let's see, the first one is a Kendra Scott Rue pendant necklace in silver. It is $48, and I will try to show you this. It's so hard to show these, but just kind of a little flower shape, and it has a little like rhinestone right in the center. This is a very pretty simple necklace, and honestly it might be one of my favorites that I've gotten so far. The other item that I got are the set of earrings that are also Kendra Scott Nola studs in rhodium and platinum druzy for $48. So I don't know if I can get close enough for you to see those earrings. And the last item is a Sophie Harper open rectangle slider bracelet that is also $46. I don't know what the other prices were. And here is the bracelet, which is really pretty. This has like just the little rhinestones all the way around. Very simple, and it has the slider, adjuster here. Makes it so easy just to get on and off on your own. That is my Roxbox for this month, and I really, really like it. So this month's theme is Pretty Pleasures, and this will tell you all the items and the prices. And then on the back, it has some information about surveys or referring people, that kind of stuff. And speaking of referring people, there will be a referral link down below in the description of this video if you are interested in trying Glossybox out. Let's open up these items and see what we got. All right, so the first item that we have, which is actually the last item on here, but is the first item in my box, is a Soon Skincare Golden Eye 24 Gold Hydrogel Patches. I don't know anything about this brand, so we'll see, but it says that it is retailing for, this is a single treatment, so it would retail for $6.30. It says 24 karat gold skincare, yes please. These incredible gel eye patches are the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. And I hope so, because the last collagen patches I had, I felt like sucked the life out of my eyes. They were so dry. It was actually painful. I do not remember what the brand is, but it is in my empties. So I will do a video on that at some point. I hope that these ones are better. All right, the next item, I'll try to go in order now. So the next item that we have is a Cab Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Gloss. And I already have gloss on, so I am not going to put this on for you. I'm sorry. It says this dusty rose beige nude lip gloss provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. The non-stick formula and sweet vanilla cupcake scent will give your lips a long-lasting gloss. It says actually you can put it on over your favorite lipstick, so maybe I can try this on for you. It retails for $18, and here it is. I've got it all backwards and upside down. But whew, it does look like it's tinted, so I don't know. My lip gloss is pretty bright, so it feels good. I don't really smell it. So it says a vanilla cupcake scent. I didn't really smell it, but it feels really nice. So I will definitely use that. And then the next, the next item is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration and Grapefruit. And it is this little kind of a sample trial size, which is awesome to stick in your purse and just have with you. I love these small sizes of moisturizers and lotions. So, and it says, filled with nourishing ingredients, including shea butter and colloidal oatmeal, this fresh citrus scented moisturizer will leave your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated after just one use. It says to apply to face and body daily, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and eczema prone skin. This is the deluxe mini, I would say. Yes, 1 ounce, and it is retailing for $5. So, and I am going to go ahead and put some on my hands because I want to smell it. It feels really nice going on. It's really light, and the smell is amazing. The next item is Clean It to Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. So I have one of these. I'm not sure what the difference is. And this also is just like a trial sample size. So it's great to stick in a suitcase, and it is actually a balm, not a liquid. So it's really nice to take while you're traveling. So I have a big jar of this that's pink. I don't know what the difference between the two are, but this one says pore clarifying, which is great. So this sherbet-like balm will remove even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. It's tri-peel acid blend, that's AHA, BHA, and LHA. Helps remove dead skin cells, clear pores, and gently exfoliates. Massage onto dry skin with your fingertips until the balm melts into an oil. Add water to emulsify and then rinse or remove with a damp cloth. This retails for $3. So if you were to get the large size, it would retail for $22, which I have a large size of the pink one. I don't know where I got it, but in one of my boxes. Okay, that's it for that. Let's go on to the next item, which is, let's see, Caudalie. I don't know how to pronounce that brand. I have received this brand before. You can see that. Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Both effective and natural. This best-selling skin tone evening serum, works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredients is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. Use morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Anyway, so deluxe mini, 10 milliliters. This retails for $26. So a full size, which is 30 mLs, would retail for $79. So this is a brand that I've had before and do like. So I'm excited to get that. Another great thing to just stick in a suitcase. All right, and this is the last item since I did the eye patches already. So is Espa. It is a Bergamot and Jasmine no rinse hand cleanser. That's interesting. This is not. Okay, this is not what's in my box. So this says, it says this hand cleanser there. It comes in a bottle like this. That's what it says that I was supposed to get. I didn't get that. I did get an Espa brand balm, hand balm. So that's interesting. What I was supposed to receive was a hand sanitizer. And that's not, I actually would rather have the hand balm. So I got a hand balm instead. I'm not going to read it because all of that is for the hand sanitizer. I know I don't need more hand balm on right now because I already put some on. So it looks like I got two. Well, the other one was a body, face, and hand. Ooh, the smell of that is nice too. It is a eucalyptus and tea tree hand balm. So I don't know the price on this either. I will tell you the price of the hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer would have been $10 for 75 mLs. And this is also 75 mL, so we'll just guess that maybe this is $10 too, since it was probably the alternative product to the hand sanitizer, but I don't know for sure. So there's that, and that is it for this box. I'm gonna go real quick. I'm gonna try to figure out the total. So the total value of this box is around $70, and I would guess that I paid around $20, but I will actually put this in the video and give you the exact amount that I paid for this box. So that is all I have for today, and I will see you guys at the next unboxing. Bye. Okay, so I'm not set up real great here. Ah, so things are falling off my